Welcome to Garage Heads, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews, specs, and the latest updates on all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Isuzu Trooper, a vehicle that promises to bring a fresh take on the classic SUV design. Known for its rugged off-road capabilities and durable build, the Isuzu Trooper has evolved over the years, and this new model takes it to the next level. The 2026 Trooper is built on a strong, reliable chassis, offering a perfect balance of comfort and performance. It features a bold exterior with the modern design that still nods to its iconic heritage. With sharp lines, a more aggressive front grille, and updated LED lighting, the Trooper maintains its tough, go-anywhere attitude while feeling contemporary. It's clear that Isuzu is focused on making the Trooper not just a vehicle for rough terrain but one that stands out on city streets too. Under the hood, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is equipped with a powerful turbocharged 3.0 liters diesel engine, providing more than enough torque to handle off-road adventures, while still delivering a smooth and efficient drive on highways. The powertrain is paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and better fuel economy. For those who need extra towing capacity, the Trooper doesn't disappoint, offering class-leading towing capability with up to 7,500 pounds, making it an ideal choice for those who need both utility and performance. Inside, the cabin has been revamped for a more premium feel. The 2026 model offers a spacious interior with room for up to 7 passengers. The quality of materials has been upgraded, with soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and high-tech touches that provide both comfort and convenience. The new infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for a seamless connection with your smartphone. There's also a suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, all helping to make long road trips and daily commutes safer and easier. On the road, the 2026 Trooper delivers excellent handling, offering a smooth and stable ride thanks to its advanced suspension system. Whether you're navigating rugged trails or cruising along highways, the vehicle's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and control in various conditions. Overall, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is a well-rounded SUV that blends rugged off-road capabilities with a refined on-road experience. It's a perfect option for those looking for an adventure-ready vehicle that also offers daily driver comfort and modern tech features. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay up to date with more car reviews and updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching Garage Heads, and we'll see you in the next video.